My name is Satyam and I'm the founder of Create Labs. So currently what we are doing is we are providing custom orthotic to the patient. So you would have seen the stroke patient having something like this as a deformity. What we do is after the stretching is done, we need to provide a corrective brace. So for that we have one as a resting hand splint. This is fully 3D printed and custom molded to the patient hand directly. Then we have different sprints like AFO and knee gaiter, which are needed for the patient recovery. And yeah, we have AFOs, we have knee gaiter, different kind of braces for patient for different stage of recovery. You can see the recovery cycle in this area. So we have different kind of braces, as you can see this with drop lock, ROM, and that is for an elbow joint. For a rehab cycle, so it starts with patients having a bedridden. As you can see, the yellow part is the splint, which is making sure the deformity is not setting in. Then they start doing sitting, standing, and stepping. And every cycle, you can see the splint changes over time. So what we are trying to do is we want to make it very simple for the patient to get these splints. We have created an app, which is a digital platform, which can be seen here. So we have created an app where you can see the catalog first, where all the splints will be mentioned. Sorry, yeah. So we have created an app where you can see all the splints are mentioned. Any physiotherapist or any patient can install this app. Once the app is installed, what they have to do is they have to go to the splint, select what kind of splint they need. Let's say an AFO. Then they will choose the patient. Then you just select the type of splint like walking, for what side you need, and then you click on take pictures. When you are taking pictures, we will provide you this QR marker. You place it on the limb and you click 3 pictures of the limb. So once the pictures are taken, you press next, you press next, sorry, you press next, and the order is submitted to the online platform. Then we will take the measurements using AI algorithm and manufacture all the splints which needs to be developed and ship it to the patient house. So any patient even in a city like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 can get access to these customized splints, because right now only city like Bangalore has the access, but we want to make sure like places like Chikbalapur, any small town in Karnataka also get these products on time. After that, what we realize, now the next step is that they want to do some stretching and exercises. To make it more interactive for these patients, we have developed some rehabilitation games. Right now when patient has to do exercises, it generally becomes boring after certain time. To make it more interactive for the patient so that they feel like when they are doing some exercise they are getting some reward, we are working on something called gamified rehab. Now gamified rehab outside India is very costly, and in India if you want to get it, it is for something like $10,000. So what we have done is we have made a low cost device, which you can see, this is the IMU sensor, which connects with any platform, any TV it can get connected with. Then whatever motion the therapist and the patient is doing, the same motion gets mimicked on the screen. And then slowly what happens is patients start getting confidence. You can increase the speed of the game, as you can just go and pause the game, and then you can increase the speed of the game, so that as the patient is getting better at the game, he gets more confidence because he's able to work with complex speeds also. This is something which we want to make sure reaches to all the physiotherapists around Karnataka and around India, where they can use this app for their home care patients also, and every patient can get these gamified rehab at their home also. So the process flow for getting a splint is, firstly you have to do clinical assessment with a doctor, which can be done with a PMR doctor or an orthopedic or a physiotherapist itself. Then you will be doing counseling. After the counseling is done, you will do splint fitting. Then that same thing needs to be used in the therapy management. We will be training them how to use the splint. Then the same thing will be used in the rehabilitation aid, and finally they will get better and they don't need a splint at all. The range of splints that we currently provides are mentioned here. We have finger splints for wrist DRUJ, then we have AFOs, knee gaiter, and different kind of splints that we manufacture. We also manufacture insoles for patients with diabetic feet or flat feet deformity, and nasal splints also. Like that, we have a lot of custom splints available with us. Our main objective is that this should not be just staying in something like a Bangalore city. It should be able to reach every corner of India. Even a tier 2, tier 3 patient can also take advantage of these products, because it does help them in getting rehabilitation faster and better. Looking for such kind of a product, you can contact us on the phone number 84319 08339, or you can go on our company website called createlabs.com, or you can just Google search Create Labs and get us in touch with us. So it becomes soft, then it becomes soft and malleable. Then you can position it over a joint, just move it. Perfect fit to the patient. Waterproof, breathable and lightweight. Get solid. Done. Craniostomy होता है ना सर, head injury हो गया, so to make it a cover, it's like a helmet, protective helmet. This is not fitting to my head, sir, my neck, but something like this it comes as a support to provide full neck support. So this is the cranial helmet. This is used for patient who had a traumatic brain injury. While having the injury, they had a damage on their skull. So before craniostomy, they need to have a flap cover. So we provide this cover so that it protects their head during the process. Sir, do you want to see a molding also? I'll just, sir, this is, I'll just flatten this right now. So it becomes soft, then it becomes soft and malleable. Then you can position it over a joint, just move it. Perfect fit to the patient. Waterproof, breathable and lightweight. Get solid. Done. Craniostomy होता है ना सर, head injury हो गया, so to make it a cover, it's like a helmet, protective helmet. This is not fitting to my head, sir, my neck, but something like this it comes as a support to provide full neck support. So this is the cranial helmet. This is used for patient who had a traumatic brain injury. While having the injury, they had a damage on their skull. So before craniostomy, they need to have a flap cover. So we provide this cover so that it protects their head during the process.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇರೋ ಚಿನ್ನನ ಅಡ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಮಾರಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತ ಆತಂಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.